Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was the introduction, as you can see, to your programme. So the first one we're going to hear tonight is Davie Kerr. It looks like it's a self-written one because he's got his book there, nothing like advertising, eh? And it's called Permission to Retire.
This was just about the time I was due to retire, and my family were all kind of interested in making sure that I got the pension. But it's a collogue with my son, who was talking about this enterprise. Dinnae bucket system, Dad. You want to get your pension. Go and wee kist to blow the bed. You didn't need to mention. Tick all the wee boxes, then sign the form at the fit. Didn't fit. You didn't ken. You want your right there, yeah? With sic-like information, the computer cannae cope. You might know about your ration. I'll just hate you living in hope. But what did the woman say at your pension interview? She didn't quite say, no way are you getting it new. Come back when you're 70. That's 3 years and 10. A pension then was sent you. Provided you're no deep then. Your stamp was statutory. Plus your share for other folk. But that's the end of the story. We hope you can take a job. Could I maybe hear a word before there's mere inquiring? Your mother, with Dr. Kerr, is glad I'm not retiring.